Hello, welcome, my name's Crow and welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums. I'm making a sound demonstration video for you today, and it's to accompany one of the listings that we have on Etsy, and it's for this rather lovely horse skin drum. It's on a 16-inch frame, and as you can see it's got the hair left on the drum as well, so that's rather beautiful, and it's a lovely colour, lovely, beautiful, I love it. For turning over, you can see we've got an ashwood handle and I've laced with artificial sinew, which is nice and strong and resistant to the effects of moisture. It's on a willow wood frame. On the inside of the frame here I put my maker's mark, Driftwood Hollow Drums, but I've also put the date when the drum was birthed, which was the 28th of March 2022, and it was in Knighton Palace, UK. That's all the information that you'll need to be able to make that birth chart, find out what was happening energetically on the day when this drum was birthed. So I'm going to play with two beaters, a soft beater and a firmer beater. This is a firmer one. Both give a slightly different sound, so see if you can spot that one. So let's have a little play. Lovely. And then the softer beater. I love the softer beater. Right then, well, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it's helped you to make a more informed decision when you're coming to choose your shamanic drum. It's always great to be able to hear what it is that you're potentially going to be purchasing. So yeah, especially when obviously online. I'm Crow, it's been Driftwood Hollow Drums. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.